Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In today's class, we will learn about strength of H2O2 solution. This topic is from hydrogen chapter in class 11. It's very simple topic. Say this. Strength of hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. Strength of H2O2 solution is expressed in two ways. First one is in terms of volume strength. Second one is percentage strength. Volume strength and percentage strength. Now say the first one, volume strength. Volume strength of H2O2 means the volume of O2 produced by heating one normal H2O2 solution at STP is called volume strength. The volume of O2 produced on heating one normal H2O2 solution at STP is called volume strength of H2O2 solution. The volume of O2 produced on heating one normal H2O2 solution at STP. That means at STP, if we heat one normal H2O2 solution, then how much volume of O2 gas is produced? That is volume strength of that solution. For this, see the equation. H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus O2. Balance this one. So this is H2O2 solution. On decomposition, on heating, we can get water and oxygen. Here oxygen is obtained in the form of gas. So how many liters of oxygen gas is released? That is the volume strength of that particular H2O2 solution. For example, 1 liter of one normal H2O2 solution is heated. Then if we get 10 liters of O2 gas, then volume strength is 10 volume. Volume strength is 10 volume. 1 liter of one normal H2O2 on heating produces 10 liters of O2 gas, volume strength is 10 volume. Suppose 1 liter of H2O2 solution produces 20 liters, volume strength is 20 volume. 30 liters of O2 gas, volume strength is 30 volume. In this way, we can say the volume strength of H2O2. Now, from this equation, we can get useful information. Say this. How many moles? 2 moles. Here 1 mole. 2 moles of H2O2 produces 1 mole. 2 moles of H2O2 in terms of volume, how much? 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters of volume. 1 mole of H2O2 produces 11.2 liters of O2. Now 1 mole means molarity is 1. 1 molarity of H2O2 produces how many liters? 11.2 liters of O2. In terms of normality, 1 normal H2O2 produces how many liters? 5.6 liters of O2. Since normality and molarity relation, normality equal to molarity into n factor. So from this equation we can get 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide produces 1 mole. In terms of liters, 22.4 liters of O2. 1 mole of H2O2 produces 11.2 liters of O2. So in terms of molarity, 1 molar H2O2 produces 11.2 liters. In terms of normality, 1 normal H2O2 produces 5.6 liters of O2. That means 1 liter of 1 normal H2O2 produces 5.6 liters of O2. 5.6 liters of O2, that equal to volume strength is 5.6 volume. Volume strength equal to, that implies volume strength equal to 5.6 volume. Understand, students? 1 normal 1 liter of H2O2 produces 5.6 liters of oxygen, means its volume strength is 5.6 volume. Now, see the numericals related to this. Calculate normality and molarity of 10 volume strength of H2O2. First, calculate normality. We know that 5.6 volume strength of 5.6 volume strength of H2O2 is equal to 1 normal. So 1 normal H2O2 volume strength is 5.6. Here in the given question, how much volume strength? 10 volume strength. 10 volume strength of H2O2 normality we should find out. Do the cross multiplication. 10 into 1 divided by 5.6. So we can get 1.785 normality. Okay, students. Now calculate molarity. We want molarity, this one. Molarity into n factor equal to normality. So molarity equal to normality divided by n factor. In the previous step, we calculated normality 1.785. Substitute here, 1.785 divided by n factor is 2. That equal to 0.89 molarity. So this is the calculation of molarity and normality from volume strength of H2O2. Thank you, students.